Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with styling and performance? Take a look at this 2020 BMW X3 M Competition. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 10.3-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 65778.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.